Mastering graphic design, essential tips and techniques. Develop a strong foundation. Like any other discipline, mastering graphic design requires a solid foundation. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basic principles of design, such as balance, contrast, hierarchy, and color theory. Understanding these principles will enable you to create visually appealing and effective designs. Study the works of renowned designers, explore different design styles, and gain inspiration from various sources to expand your design knowledge. Embrace minimalism. In the world of graphic design, less is often more. Embracing minimalism can help you create clean, uncluttered designs that are visually appealing and easy to understand. Focus on using essential elements and removing any unnecessary distractions. Pay attention to negative space and strive for simplicity in your compositions. Minimalist designs can convey a sense of elegance and sophistication. Mastering graphic design is a continuous journey that requires a combination of technical skills, creativity, and a deep understanding of design principles. By developing a strong design process, embracing minimalism, mastering the grid system, experimenting with typography, harnessing the power of colors, and staying updated with design trends and tools, you can refine your skills and create impactful designs. Remember to practice regularly, seek inspiration from diverse sources, and always push the boundaries of your creativity. With dedication and perseverance, you can become a master of graphic design and leave a lasting impression with your work.